This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a single Post-it and a clean flat surface. Make sure the adhesive edge is at the top so the dart will release cleanly. First, fold the note 1/2 toward you, aligning edges precisely to form a strong center crease. Once done, press the crease firmly with your fingernail. This builds rigidity. Make sure to keep the adhesive side uncreased beyond the top 0.5 and so it will still stick later. This small detail matters for flight. Next, you shape the dart's body by folding the top corners into the center crease, forming a pointed nose. This reduces drag and focuses impact. Once the nose is formed, fold the sheet lengthwise along the center crease again to reinforce the spine. This gives the dart stiffness and straight flight. Make sure both sides mirror each other. Slight asymmetry causes wobble. If the tip is bulky, trim or tuck excess paper carefully. To finish, fold the adhesive flap over the rear of the dart and press to secure the spine, but do not let glue reach the nose. This keeps balance. You then test with 3 gentle throws at a target a few meters away, observing flight path and distance. If the dart veers or tumbles, fix the problem by unfolding and correcting any asymmetry. Realign folds, tighten the center spine, and sharpen the nose. One troubleshooting tip: wobble usually means uneven folds, so refold the offending side carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.